buck coming here about 9:30, so that means he's definitely probably bedded in here. This is about 20 acres of woods, and it's all bedding. I'm hunting pretty much on the edge of it, and typically at night they all go through here or the pines across the field, and they all go meet in the hayfield at night. So with any luck, he's gonna cross through here tonight, and I have one tag left, and we'll get it done. Here we go. In case one decides this ain't downwind, I'll put some Evercalm on. Back. I'm looking at the film and I'm pretty disappointed in myself and hitting the deer like that. I practice often, but I don't know. Must be buck fever got to me pretty good. I'm still hoping he's dead, but after reviewing the film a few times, I'm definitely gonna wait until tomorrow morning. I just got tomorrow morning off work so I could go look for it. The boss of school with it. So with any luck, I'm gonna find him in the morning. I really hope so. That's definitely my biggest buck. Alright, well we just got to the spot this morning. We're gonna see if we can find some blood and find him. Alright, here's the arrow. Well, arrow looks promising. Thought I heard him crash last night, so we'll see. Alright, here's some first blood. Hopefully the G5 dead meat did the trick. This is looking promising. Got some bubbles in the blood right there. There he is. He only went about 70 yards. Like someone hit him before. Bigger than I thought he was. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12. Heck yeah. Alright, well I found my buck. I thought it was a bad shot, but he was a little bit quartering away and I blew right through his lungs. Thanks to the G5 dead meats. I passed up so many bucks this week. I think I passed up close to 10 2-year-olds, and I didn't even know this one was out here. My cousin had pictures of him down the road, about a mile. We traveled, you know, a decently long ways. It is the rut, and that just proves what one hot doe can do. We came right in at 4 o'clock. I got right in here pretty early. It was around 2:30, and I couldn't be any more happier to be tagged out. Now I'll be running the camera the rest of the season. Alrighty, here we go. It's November 12th. We're hunting public tonight. He's been seeing some nice bucks in here. 3 for sure shooters. He has 1 tag left. I'm all tagged out, so I'm running the camera. It's public, right? Butts up to private. We're about 100 yards off the line. There's a corn right there, and there's bedding over here. We're gonna try to catch him going in and out of that. So, if any luck, he's gonna tag out tonight, and we'll have a fun, mild drag back. Here we go. He's a giant. He's a giant. Definitely shooter. Smoked him. That's my big 8. Right, we just smoked his target one in here. Give me some, dude. Good shot. Whew. Well, we gave the deer some time, so now we're gonna go see if we can't recover Cameron's biggest buck. Here's the arrows, looking pretty promising. Well, last night we backed out, so we're coming in here after work. I'm pretty sure it's a dead deer, so we'll see. Well, we came out last night. Tony's been seeing some good bucks over on this chunk of public. And this is a real nice buck, especially for being public. It'd be his biggest buck. He came out about 115 yards, and we grunted at him, and he came in like he was on a string. Couldn't be any happier. We got a dog in here, and it did an awesome job. The deer actually went on a different stump, so it only went probably, what do you say, maybe 120 yards max, if that. So he's all tagged out, I'm all tagged out before gun season. There we go.
Thank you very much for checking out our video. If you like what you see, please subscribe to our YouTube channel and click the notifications bell. That way you can get notifications every time we post new content. And if you haven't already, make sure to check us out on Facebook, Instagram, and you can check out our website at www.vitalshopproductions.com.